In many scientific experiments, we want to understand how one factor affects another. The independent variable is the factor that influences the results. It can be something we actively change, like temperature or dosage, or something that occurs naturally, like soil type, altitude, or time of year. We observe how this variable affects another, the dependent one. The dependent variable is what we measure. It responds to changes in independent variables, helping us understanding cause and effect. For example, if we study how different amounts of sunlight affect plants' growth, the amount of sunlight is independent variable and the plant height is the dependent one. Let's explore a few more examples. Let's say that we measure the effect of nutrient type and concentration on the number of bacterial colonies. In this case, the independent variable is the nutrient type and concentration. This is what we change and compare across different samples. The dependent variable is the number of bacterial colonies we measure to see how it responds to different nutrients. We are studying how the number of foxes affect the number of rabbits in a forest. The independent variable is the number of foxes, the dependent one is the number of rabbits. We measure how population of rabbits changes in responses to change in population of the foxes. However, we can flip the perspective. This time, we want to measure how the number of rabbits affect the number of foxes in the forest. In this case, the independent variable is the number of rabbits, and the dependent one is the number of foxes. This example shows that the same two variables can switch roles depending on the question that we are asking